Guys, and welcome back to the channel. We are diving in a little bit of 3D printing. Let's see how this goes. Okay, a little bit of montage as you see what I've done, and you'll come to the end of the video and you'll see exactly what I've built. Came together relatively easy compared to a lot of wee bits of the tracks, as you'll see through the channel and the video, I should say. So let's see how we progress with this one. It took roughly about 40 hours to print, give or take. Only printed a wee bits that I actually needed for the tank here. So let's continue with the montage. Right guys, we're going to try and glue some of the track. When I was trying to glue this part, some of the end it actually came away a wee bit here. So like it came away from the build plate. I managed to sort it as much as best as I could. Like I said, I'm totally new to all this stuff. I just wanted to see. As from where I've got the files, this is not this video for this. It's just that anybody can actually find these files. I managed to do it pretty easy. I'm pretty sure you can as well. Let's glue this together and see how far we go. The quality of it is actually not too bad. I'm pretty sure it was done with a 0.40 nozzle as well. Can't remember the layer height, but if I remember, I'll put it in the comment section below. There's probably going to be more footage of this going on rather than me chatting. Yeah. Let's see how this goes, and you'll hope you do like what you see. So here we are, just sizing up everything I've already glued so far to date. It came together pretty well and pretty quick, actually, to be fair. Yeah. I'm just wondering guys, what faction, what colour do you think I should paint this to? Should it be a Space Marine? Salamanders? Whatever you guys put down. I'll try and put a poll down as well. Try and suggest some factions. What should I paint it to? Obviously the mace with the most votes will win, and that's what I'll paint it to. Yeah, so there we go. Just trying to size it up. Trying to factor which way I should actually paint it. At the top of the tracks there, where it should be, this should be aligned to the whole body, not leaving that wee gap at the top. Just at the top of the tracks. Right guys, we are coming up to the full track build that I've actually done. As you'll see with there we go. Some of the glue came not too bad, but I'm pretty sure with undercoat or priming it, painting it, anything else, it should come together pretty well. Like I said guys, you do like what you see, any comments, anything at all whatsoever, put it down below. If you do like the channel as well, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff, and I'll see you at the end of the next one guys. Remember, just tell me what faction you like me to paint it, and I'll do my best to do it. Let's see what happens.